One thing you need to accept as you begin to grow and want to grow and become successful is that there's going to be pain, there's going to be discomfort with that. And so that is a normal part of growth, and you have to accept that. And I always equate this to working out. It's like, I remember this story, you go to the gym and you see the same, thank you, you see the same people lifting the same weights, it seems like for years, and they never look different, they're never increasing the weights. And it's like, why are you even doing it? Because they're never willing to push that final 10%, that final 5%. And that's where growth happens. That's where that growth happens. And that's just like in practice. It's that final push when you don't feel like you can do one more thing, when you don't feel like you can go another hour or adjust 10 more people, and you do it and you keep consistently doing it. That's when growth happens.
Definitely. I mean, I used to only be able to bench like 180. And as I pushed forward and I broke the 400 or 500 mark,
nice.
It was literally amazing until the bar fell on my neck. But you're going to get attacked as you grow, and as you feel more and more comfortable at the different levels that you are, you're going to get attacked. I mean, things are going to happen that you're like, what is going on? How did that ever happen? You need to realize that those events that happen that seem like horrible things that are happening and seem like it's a huge setback is really going to be a catapult to you getting to the next level.
Yeah.
I mean, in every single case, realize that. If I give you one little piece of advice, is that setbacks is just a precursor for something big that's going to come in your life and something big that's going to come in your practice. And so when we say that succeed at all costs, we're not saying sacrifice everything in your life for your practice. Because it's succeed not only in your practice, but succeed in your family life at home, succeed in time with your kids, succeed financially so you're not in huge debt. So you need to succeed in all areas of your life. You need to keep balance in those, and you're going to get attacked in all different levels. And so I would just encourage you to stay balanced, spend a lot of time with your family, and organize your schedule and organize your time, and just be prepared to be attacked.